Understanding storm warning in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the phrase, storm warning. This phrase is not just about the weather. It's a metaphor used in various contexts. Whether you're watching the news or reading a novel, understanding this phrase will help you grasp the underlying message more effectively. Storm warning refers to a notice issued by meteorological agencies when a storm, usually severe, is likely to hit a specific area. These warnings are crucial for safety, advising people to take precautions or seek shelter. It's not just about rain or wind. A storm warning can be for snowstorms, hurricanes, or tornadoes. The key point is the severity and the potential for significant impact. Beyond its literal meaning, storm warning is often used metaphorically. In literature or everyday conversation, it can signify an upcoming period of trouble or turmoil. For instance, if someone says, "I see a storm warning in their relationship," it suggests anticipated problems or conflicts. It's a powerful metaphor that conveys a sense of urgency and the need for preparedness. Now, let's put storm warning into action. Here are a few examples. 1. Literal usage. The Coast Guard issued a storm warning due to the approaching hurricane. 2. Metaphorical usage. The CEO's sudden resignation was a storm warning, indicating turbulent times ahead for the company. Remember, the context is key. Whether you're talking about the weather or describing a situation, the phrase adds a layer of seriousness and urgency. And that's a wrap on storm warning. Whether it's predicting the weather or sensing trouble in various scenarios, this phrase is your go-to for indicating imminent challenges. Keep your ears open, and you'll start noticing it in news, literature, and daily conversations. I hope this video has been enlightening. Stay safe and prepared, both for the literal storms and the metaphorical ones.